What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave from Signature Glass Tinting. It's very rare that I make a video off-site, or I should say away from the shop. Normally I make videos of cars we've tinted, show you and tell you all about the benefits of window film. But today I'm at Range Rover in Newport Beach, and I'm here to talk about the full-size Land Rover, the HSE. We're getting a lot of clients that are coming to us. They're buying this vehicle. We've tinted about 25 of the new 2020s, and people are showing up and they're asking us to fix the glass. People that have owned Range Rovers in the past, people that are buying their second and third Range Rovers. The front doors are clear, of course, from the dealer, and then the back doors have this weird special coating. I don't know if you can see it there. And then the back three windows are just black, and they come in and they want the front doors to be tinted to match, or they want the back half tinted darker, and they ask us to fix the tint. You guys, we can't fix this tint. This is the Range Rover HSE. It doesn't come on the Sport. It doesn't come on any of the other cars. It just comes on this one. And if you can see it, I hope the camera's picking up, these back doors have some kind of UV or infrared coating on them, and it makes the glass yellow or purplish, depending on how the light is. The light changes the glass. And when you tint the front doors and or tint over the factory privacy glass like most people do, most people that come in with a Range Rover, they want heat rejection, they want UV protection, they want the good looks that window film provides, but you're not gonna get it because this window, guys, it looks different. And if you're like me, if you're very particular about your car, you want to look a certain way, you want that blacked out, murdered look, you want the protection from window film, UV protection, heat rejection, and you want the car to look consistent and even, you're not gonna get it when you buy this car. This particular model has this special glass in it. People are showing up and they're literally pissed off. They're saying they bought the car at night, they didn't know it came with this type of glass, and they want us to tint the other windows to match it. And guys, you cannot match this. This is in the glass. It's what we call surface number one. I can't change the look of surface number one. No window film company can. I'm gonna spin around here and see if it changes. If you can see how that glass, now it's turning almost the color of the car. You look over here and it gets a little bit on the yellow or gray side. It's not the same as the back. People are showing up and they're asking us to fix it. They're asking us to match it. They're pissed off because they bought the car at night and they didn't realize it had this type of glass. Guys, it's out of our control. There's no window film that will match this. And if this is gonna be an issue for you, you gotta think twice before you buy a $125,000 car like this. Get the Range Rover Sport. I love Range Rovers. I love the Range Rover Sports. I love these cars. They're so fun to drive. In fact, I think it's the best SUV money can buy. But Range Rover changed that back glass and it looks awful when tinted, and it looks awful when not tinted. Be on the lookout, guys, and if you have any questions, you give us a call, text us, private message us. Even through this video here, I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. Again, this is very specific to the Range Rover HSE. It does not come on the Sport, does not come on the other models. It's just the HSE. Thank you so much. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Look us up if you have any questions.